I gathered owner reviews, technical data, and expert opinions to tell you about the most frustrating issues with the Jetta from 2010 to 2018 and what you can do about them. One of the most frequently discussed problems on forums like VW Vortex and Reddit is the automatic transmission failure, especially with the dual-clutch DSG. Many users report that the gearbox starts to jerk or shift roughly at low speeds, particularly in 2011 to 2014 models. One owner wrote, "I thought I was overreacting, but it felt like the car hesitated when starting, almost like the clutch was slipping." This behavior is often linked to premature wear of the mechatronic unit or the clutch itself, something that several mechanics have also confirmed. Volkswagen issued some technical service bulletins regarding this issue, and in some cases, they offered a software reflash or even a replacement under extended warranty. However, outside of warranty, the costs can be significant. The most effective fix is usually to replace the mechatronic unit or the entire clutch assembly, though some technicians suggest checking if a simple software update resolves the issue first. Another common headache is excessive oil consumption in the 2.0 and 2.5-liter engines. Owners on sites like Edmunds and Copilot Search report that they need to top off the oil every 600 to 900 miles, which is clearly not normal. One mechanic explained that in several of these engines, the piston rings wear out prematurely, allowing oil to seep into the combustion chamber. Some users say that when they brought the car in for inspection, the dealer told them, "It's normal for this engine," which sounds more like an excuse than a real solution. There's no official recall from VW, but there are bulletins recommending more frequent inspections or even engine replacement in severe cases. The most common, though costly solution, is a partial engine rebuild, or replacing the entire engine block. It's also recommended to use higher quality oil and watch for any blue smoke from the exhaust. Finally, one of the most annoying issues has to do with the vehicle's electrical systems, especially the power windows and ABS sensors. Several owners have reported that the windows roll down on their own or suddenly stop working altogether. One forum user said, "My Jetta has a mind of its own. I hear the window rolling down by itself at night, and the next day, it won't go up." These kinds of failures are often caused by faulty electrical modules or moisture in the connectors. As for the ABS, some sensors fail prematurely and trigger the dashboard warning light, which can temporarily disable the system. Technicians agree that in many cases, it's due to dirty or damaged wheel sensors, and the solution can be as simple as a cleaning or as expensive as replacing the entire module. Volkswagen has released software updates and module replacements for specific models, but these aren't always covered if the warranty has expired.